I'm doing my my good experiment, and Mommy's helping me pouring.
1 cup each?
Yeah,
Okay.
and another one. Some of those.
So just put like that here. Later na yung ano, in between, right?
Yeah. And we need these cups. These are empty cups. So put them like
So water. Okay. Does it have water?
and that one has water.
I think it's not enough. We're gonna put some. I think that's not a sack. Yeah, it's one now. This one now. Okay.
And now time for the food coloring.
Put every color, right?
I will put
A little bit only, Efa, right? I put it. Just put the red here. Just,
this is yellow.
this yellow. Okay, put na my love. I want you to put it. Just drop it. Just one drop. That's it. One drop only, baby. Okay. That's 2 drop. Okay, go another color. Do I need to mix this? No need.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Put the other color here. What? Just wait, baby. Just wait. This is gonna be 24 hours experiment, so we need to do this tonight. It's already
gosh.
almost 9
I
p.m.
put 1 drop of green.
Yeah. It's almost 9 p.m. So how many?
1 drop.
You already put 1 drop? Okay. Allah, there's too much, baby. Don't press too much. It's too much, my love. That's too much, baby.
And blue coloring.
Come on, put na po. 1. Come on, 1. Okay, that's it.
Good. And now, red will make purple, right?
Okay.
And it will
I
make
need to
every
put some. Because the yellow is not colorful enough. Okay, come on.
and one
There's,
red.
ano,
One red. 1 drop.
Wow. Why the drop is so much? It's like so much. You put so much of the drop.
Oh.
We need to wash the spoon so it's not gonna be colorful. Just 1 color each cups. What is what's this? I don't know.
It is one about water.
Learn about
Water.
the circulations of no the. Okay. Did you close it? Okay. And now you're gonna fold. You're gonna fold the.
We're going to put each cup now.
Yeah. No, not yet. In the between, man, baby. No, not yet.
Yeah.
We're gonna put some. This one first. You need to fold it.
You fold it. And you fold it
Like this, and fold it into smaller.
like this.
And then you need to like that. Anak. Fold it. Wait, just like that? Okay, like that. I think our like that. But the between, baby. Later, no later the between.
We do need the between now.
We do need we need so that the water gonna go to the other side. Right?
Yeah.
Wait, baby, wait. You're very excited now that. Come on, put together.
And like
Just like that. Normally it's supposed to be clear cup, but we don't have clear cup.
So we
We
did
just
buy.
we just use the red cup.
It's
that we
okay.
have. It's yellow, green, blue, and red food color.
Yeah.
Baby, come with it, my love.
And
And then we gotta do the between. You want to
Yeah.
between? Okay.
because look,
Yeah, put the ano na.
now it's going.
See, it's functioning. Wow, amazing, amazing. It is cold. I don't know. It's hard to. It's hard to. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now we gotta get the paper towel, right?
Yeah.
And dry it.